By the way, piece up mouth girl. What she a call man bum buckler name, yeah? Real authentic yard man this. Look for my good.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. People, wagwan, welcome back to my channel once again. As usual, I want to thank each and every one of you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel, people. It never goes unnoticed. Big up in yourself. I appreciate it. You see me? So today, people, viewer discretion is advised. What? Some clips that I might put in will contain some foul, vulgar language, people. So viewer discretion is advised, because majority of the time the clips that I try to, insert in my videos, I try to make it be PG as possible. But what I'm going to talk about, some bad word and thing in it, we're all grown people, but then again you have, the people who don't love the bunch of bad word, and you know what I think of people. But in another video we're gonna talk about Popcaan and what some little Margaret Roach girl has said about him. So people, we have these three young ladies. I don't know what talk show or what slut show. I don't know what type of show them have going on. But I have seen those two of those girls already in the clip that you're looking at. I've seen them already where they tend to, dish out celebrity business. And this time they was dishing out Odell Beckham. For everybody who doesn't know who Odell Beckham is, he is a professional football player that plays for the Cleveland Browns. So these particular girls are saying that Odell, likes when the girl them shit, or I don't know if him say him like when them shit pan him.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Them fi take picture and them a shit and send it go game. But one bag of...
We're dodging
Okay. Yes, he loves to be shitted on.
Ooh.
Hell no. To the no. Hell to
nastiness, people. Because I don't know who in this day and age get turned on by shit. We come out here, body. People, I saw my little business them in, saw my little business, but people, just, when some people, you just know, say they're doing it for clout, they might do it for get attention and draw attention, and that's what it did. It actually ended up getting lots of attention. Every social media site posted about it, people. Every last one of them posted about it. And she did her talk same way, and then she got call up Popcaan name.
Hey, who else? Popcaan. Y'all want to talk about Popcaan?
Oh. Who the fuck is Popcaan? He is a Canadian rapper. So he's like Drake.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Let me tell you something. You played me trying to act like you was going with that other bitch, and you wanted
What
this
camera
squirt
are we looking
pussy.
at?
Wait a minute.
The little ringworm go call up Popcaan unruly boss name, people. You can't mix up unruly in them wild nastiness there. Then people, you don't know say Popcaan are gonna respond to her. So knowing Popcaan, the unruly boss and how he is him always jokey. Him always him full of vibes. Him always a joke and thing. But he had a message for her, people. Him sent out a message, and this is what Popcaan had to say.
By the way, piece up mouth girl. What she a call man bum buckler name, yeah? Real authentic yard man this. Look for my good. You better move.
Them not know about the unruly boss, people. And the girl them with them disrespectful self about Toronto rapper, Canadian rapper.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Hey people, yo, if you're not gonna talk about something, at least get enough facts straight. Get enough facts straight before you just call up people name in a dirty shitty argument. You see me? You know, can't just call up people them and not even know who them associated, where them from. You see me? Unruly Boss rep Jamaica is from Jamaica. He's a Jamaican artist where you get this Canadian Toronto rapper from. You see me? You know, getting a fact straight before you know, go up on, you know, like a fool, nasty show. And I talk about Popcaan and this and yo, Popcaan should have loaded up more than that. Then one of the girls by the name of, I think her name Selena Powell XO or whatever, that's her Instagram name. She tagged Popcaan and said, "What did we say wrong? I'm confused." You see what I talk about? Them don't even know what them say wrong, people. Them just talk a bunch of shit, people. Them don't even know what them say wrong. Cause I'm gonna tag him and say, "What did we say wrong? I'm confused." You know, if you confused, you know, look like a... Y'all know them worms are... I worm them in a Men in Black? Yeah, I think I worm them. I saw them look. So you don't know, say, after them tag Popcaan, it a go show up in a Popcaan mention. So of course... Them a call up Popcaan name from yesterday. I know the Unruly Boss have a seat already. So Popcaan being Popcaan Unruly Gang. The girl says, "Sorry, laugh out loud. I didn't mean any disrespect. Nice to know that you're Jamaican." Them girl want a thump in them neck back. Eh? Right in them neck back, them want a thump, people. So Popcaan said, "Good. Don't play with me or my island. Thank you." And give him the peace sign. Then the girl go on to say, "If you and Drake wanna run a train on me to teach me a lesson, I'm down." Nasty girl, let me know, people. How raise them? Eh? Hog and goat? Eh? Hog and goat have more manners. Me even think hog and goat treat them kids like that or picnic like that. How raise them? My God. So he say, "Can you tag me on your post on your page too, boo? I don't know what you're saying, but it sounds romantic as fuck." So you saw me talk about people, she look for tag. They just clout chasing. Those girls just have, yo, they might get some lawsuit, you know, cause and everybody take them so-called, them trying to be giving jokes and everybody gonna take it lightly. You see me? You gotta have people who with money, have lots of money, and gonna take them to court and them not gonna like the outcome of it. You can't just call up people naming a random things, especially if you don't know nothing about them. No, not even know where them from. You see me, I say, people. So Popcaan say, "You better move, but run a train." Yo, girl, you're nasty, you know, people. Let me know in the comment section when you think, people. Let me know when you think about this. Cause them girl, low and nasty, no blow out, people. Looking for clout and social media gave it to them, so they might try ride the wave, you know. Nasty girl, them people. Nasty. And there was also a post going around on Twitter with the three of them. And the title and caption of the picture. I have to laugh, people. May have to laugh. The caption on the picture said, "A black man's weakness," with the three of them. The picture that you're looking at the screen right now, that's what them titled it as. A black man's weakness. Which black man? No, sir. People leave some comment. Drop some comment in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say about this. Can't this up Unruly Boss like that. You see me? And all that nasty talking. You don't need to do something better. If this enough for use to get attention, go get a 9 to 5. Go get a 9 to 5 and call it a day. You see me? Let me know when I think, people. Leave some comments and let me know when you're on. Alright, mad, I'm out.